Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is probably the biggest video I've ever done here on the channel. We've never had something this big happen that I filmed on the channel. I mean, putting the engine in this one, the new engine, was kind of big, but not as big as what I'm about to show you. Now, the title suggests it all. I did finally buy my dream truck. And if you follow me over on Instagram at Austin04_Z71, you guys already saw the truck. And the reason I did that was I'm having to take it to Nopi. And today, I should get this video up Friday, which will be Nopi technically starts on the day this video goes up, but I don't ever go till Saturday. I'm filming this Thursday. I'm leaving in like an hour to go to South Carolina in the new truck. I can't take this truck. We're going to get into that at another time, but it's got issues, and that's going to be a whole nother video. But what I want to do is I want to go ahead and show you guys the new truck. So here it is, and here she is, guys. She is a 2011 2500 with the Duramax 6.6 Duramax and Allison transmission, crew cab, LTZ Z71. It's got all the options just like I wanted. It is white. I was going to try to get white or black, and this one showed up, and lo and behold, if I didn't buy white. And golly, I love this truck. You see it's already repping the decal there. And we go down to Nopi here this weekend, but you guys can probably tell this truck's not stock either. Originally I was looking for a stock truck. I really was, and I wanted to do work to it. And then I got to thinking, I'm gonna spend all this money to buy this truck, and I'm not gonna have that much money to spend thousands of dollars right off the bat to get this thing where I need it to be to start doing big power. So what I've done here is I've actually bought a truck that has the majority of just the basic stuff done, and we're going to go ahead and dive into that. But exterior wise, it has a 3.5 it's either the 2 or 3.5 lift on it. You see it's got the tubular upper control arms. It's got adjustable shocks. I do not know the brand. I have not gotten into it. The dealership that had it bought it at auction, so they don't know that much on it. All I have is paperwork on the tuner and where the tunes came from. But I guess that being said, it does have a tuner, but it's on 35s, on the same size tire as the Cat Eye is, except of course they're on 20s and not 22s. So sits at a really good height. You guys see there, the tint is so dark I can't see anything at night. I know you Carolina guys really like that. It does have exhaust. It is straight pipe. Let's go back over here, under here, and down. See, there's the fast system. Now, I've already gotten comments on Instagram about that CP4 pump. Chill, guys. I'm gonna fix it. I wouldn't have bought the truck if it wasn't solid, but good, there was a couple of you. I thought you would have thought I was gonna die on the road bringing this thing home with the way some of you guys acted about that pump. My lord, I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna convert it to a CP3, but lord, I wasn't expecting people to get so sensitive over that CP4 pump. But anyway, go ahead and continue on. So what I'll go ahead and do is, and this is my favorite feature right here. 1 second. Give it just a second. Remote start. I've never had that. That is so nice. Bring you guys back here to the exhaust. Yeah. So let me take y'all inside and show y'all what the inside's like. Oh yeah. And see, this is the exact color I wanted. It's that nice, I guess, brown tan leather interior. And I mean, oh, and the wood grain. There is the Edge CTS2. That is now, here, I'll climb up in here and show you guys what's going on here. All right, you can't tune through this on a Duramax yet. So what it's got is I've got the EFI Live tuner in there. And so it's got EFI Live tune. You've got the Edge tuner here. Now hang on, it's going to try to turn off. I'm going to put the key in the ignition so that way turn some things on here. Give that thing a second to boot up. But super nice, and you guys see it does have a sunroof. It's pretty well loaded. It's missing nav, which I don't care about nav. I always use it on my phone. Heated seats, all that good stuff, all your steering wheel controls, and it's super clean in here. You guys can see this truck is so clean. There's really nothing wrong with it, and that's the reason I bought it. But there's your screen there, and of course that's all, you know, live. If you guys got diesels, you know, that's going to show. I've got it set up to show EGTs, boost, mile per hour, RPM, intake air temp, and the trans fluid. Yeah, and that's all I got on that screen right there, and I can change it. All right, so under the hood, and this truck, if you can tell by now, is fully deleted. There is no def, anything like that anymore. EGR, all that gone from this hood. I'm missing the bolt. I need to get the bolt to hold that down. I gotta grab that before we go on the trip because I don't want that open. But S&B cold air intake here, under the hood, and then of course that's really it under the hood. That's the only thing under here. I'll leave that open so I remember to put that screw back in there. And she's clean, guys, and I am super excited about it, and I'm super excited to get started on building it. And I'm actually super excited to take it to Nopi. And I'll tell you, really, I was gonna leave it. It wasn't gonna come. I was gonna take the cat eye still. That is my build, and you know, all you guys know that truck, and I wanted to take it, but the issues that we're having with it, I can't take it. It won't make it. So I got to take this, but that's okay. Not complaining. Still a good looking truck. If you guys are going, you're gonna have to look for me in this truck. And I am gonna go ahead and throw the Instagram sticker on there too, so that way people that follow me there know this is also now my truck. But it didn't work out very good because, you know, this truck isn't known yet. I haven't done any videos on it. This is the first one, but we've got big plans for this truck, guys. And hang on just one second, let me show you guys something. Michael and I, and you guys have seen Michael on the channel before, he's got that white Tahoe. We had a little bit of fun with it last night. I've only had this truck for like one day, and so let me see here, go into records. We had a little bit of fun last night trying to see what we could get. Oh, you see right there, 0 to 60, 7.1 seconds, and it was spinning. I couldn't get it to hook, but that's the fastest I could get it to go 0 to 60 right now, and it's quick. I mean, it really is, and it's, you know, it's deleted, and like I said, it's got certain bolt-on stuff. 7.1 seconds in a 7,000 pound truck is pretty quick, especially since we're, you know, stock turbo, all of that. And I'm sure, and then we're going to go down in the comment section, we're going to hear about what's faster and what's not, but that's fine. I bought this truck off the lot, and it can run a 7-second flat, 0 to 60. That's fine with me. The sad part is I think it's as fast, if not faster, than the cat eye with all the work done to it. And this truck's also on 35s. That's on 35s. This thing was on stocks. I could probably shave that down to probably 6.9, 6.8. With a good set of stocks that I could hook on. So as far as what's planned for this, I'm going to kind of get into that in a new video. I just wanted to do the reveal on here and show you guys the truck and what all's done to it. So things that you need to note: fully deleted, the fast system, got the S&B cold air intake, it's EFI live tunes, got the edge screen right here, straight pipe, because 5-inch pipe. And that's really it that's done to it, and everything else is just going to be all on me. So, you know, of course, got to get some paint work done on it, because you guys know I like the color match. So that's going to come here soon, and there'll be a whole video on the first drive on it. What we're going to do to it, we're going to do the video on the cat eye of what's wrong to it. But like I said, if you guys are heading down to South Carolina this weekend, be looking for me in this truck. I'd love to meet you guys, and I hope this truck is a decent, I hope it's interesting, and I hope I can make good content with it and make videos that you guys enjoy watching with it. And of course, you know, nothing stays stock that I own in this one. It's not stock already, but it'll certainly go further than this. So there you go, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope to meet some of you guys down there. If you're not already, follow me over on Instagram at Austin04_Z71. Stay tuned to those other videos, people, because we've got a lot of stuff coming on this one. So I appreciate you guys watching. Take care. Have a great day. All right, so I tacked on this last part here because people get irritated that I talk so much in the video. So what I did is I condensed and got the important information out in the first part of the video. And you guys who are actually interested in learning more about the truck, keep watching. I'm going to go in depth right now on what all, we're going to go in depth on everything that's done to it. I just wanted to get the objective stuff done at the beginning of the video so I don't have to hear about it in the comment section. So let's go ahead and get started. So like you said earlier, we've got the 6.6 Duramax in here. Now, everything exterior wise is really still factory. They did put the new body tow mirrors on here. I hate, it looks awful. I hate that stupid chrome. That's gonna get painted. Like I said, the tires are 35 1250 Toyo Open Country RTs, and you know, I've got those on the cat eye. I like them. They're a good tire. These are brand, I mean, they're like brand new. So that's awesome. Now the lift, I got to do some research on it. You see we got the tubular upper control arms. It's got adjustable shocks front and rear. That's really cool, and they don't look that old. So I really want to look into that and try to figure out what brand it is. But like I said, I've had this truck for one day, and I'm trying to, like, I'm leaving in 1 hour. I put this camera up, I got grabbing bags, and in 1 hour I'm heading to South Carolina. So I've had no time to really get into this thing. See the exhaust. See, I gotta get used to just massive exhaust pipe, bigger than drive shaft in there. That's something I gotta get used to. You know, this is just now entering the diesel club here. We've had the gasser forever, and now I've got the big old Duramax. Now, you know, this one's loaded. It's got the parking sensors, all that. It does have a bed liner in it already, and it's got the gooseneck fifth wheel prep, which that's gooseneck ball. So if, you know, I want to tow the other truck, I can, and I probably will. Z71 off-road package on this truck. Does have the skid plates under it, but you know, really other than that, doesn't do much. Oh, the clearance lamps. When I actually went and looked at it, I didn't even notice it had the clearance lights up there. I really didn't. And I went and picked it up, and I was like, were those there when I test drove it? I don't know how I missed that. So I'm going to replace those, of course. I'm not going to leave them amber. We'll probably just do white on that. Same thing with the mirrors. We're going to get all new mirrors, probably from Boost Auto, something like that. I showed you guys the fast system earlier in the video. The filters need to be changed on it. They don't look that new, so I got to order new filters and get those on the way. I hate that I didn't know that beforehand, because I would have got new filters here before we went to the beach, but oh well. Inside wise, and you guys kind of got a glimpse of the interior earlier in the video, but I just want to kind of go over everything. It is a crew cab, so, and it had to be a crew cab. There was no other way. I wanted a crew cab, I wanted the room, and I'm so glad I bought this. Super nice. You know, it's got the wood grain, and you know, I think something I think is interesting. You know, my dad's half ton, the handle's like down here, up here, and on the Duramax the handles are up here, and I like that a lot better. It looks better and it's more functional. So here's your heated seats, memory seats, got all your window switches here. Full drive, of course, it's Z71. Showed the edge tuner, and we'll go do a video going completely through that. I don't want to go ham and go into all that, because that's, you can do a whole video on what that screen can do. Integrated trailer brake controller. I like the gauge cluster. It's very, you know, I say that, but I don't know if I like it better than the one that's in my dad's half ton or not. They're probably about even. And I wish they would have done the wood grain pieces here on the steering wheel, you know, because they've got it everywhere else. But you know, that might, and they might have tried to mix it up, because it's got the kind of brushed aluminum bezels there, and they might try to get it matched. Sunroof, and I really wanted a sunroof. I really did on the new truck. I didn't have to have one, because I know that really limits your search, but when I saw this one had it and had everything else, I was like, I gotta buy this truck. Down here, power foot pedal adjusters, parking sensors, traction control, exhaust brake, because it is a Duramax. Storage in here, it is ridiculously deep. I don't want to open it up because I think the registration is sitting right there on top. Tent, like you see, is plenty dark. Got a brow. I'm going to get in big trouble for all this in Virginia as soon as the temporary plates get off of it. So something will have to change on that, because they will pull me over as soon as I get those new tags. I guarantee it. But that's really it inside of here. It's just really nice. It's really clean. I go back around here, show you guys just how clean it is. And the dealership did a great job cleaning this truck up. They really did. But I don't think they had to clean up that much, because I think it's just been kept pretty clean its whole life. Fold the seats up here. But I mean, there's just nothing wrong with this thing on the inside. It looks so good. And the truck is just so clean. So, and yeah, it's got some paint, you know, scratches and stuff like that, and I'm trying to let it go, because you know I keep the cat eye perfect. Like, there's nothing wrong with it body wise or paint wise, and oh, it's irking me that this one's got problems, but I'll get it fixed. I have to understand, I just got the truck, I can't fix it yet, but I'm gonna get to it and I will fix it. Headlights, of course, we're gonna change all those out. Keep the grill about the same. We will end up painting, you know, some parts of it, and I'll kind of go into that video on what all we're going to do to it. But other than that, that's about all I can really go over here today. And like I said, we'll do more videos coming up here soon. I just wanted to get it out there that I was going to be taking this down to South Carolina, and there was problems with the cat eye, which that's a whole nother video too. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like I said earlier in the video, if you guys stick around to this point, you guys are real true blue subscribers, and I really do appreciate you. So so definitely be looking for those new videos on this truck. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Have a great day.